Nagsabi po sa inyo before the 2 o'clock meeting.
Well, I was expecting him to come over, but I received word that there's an equally important thing to do.
He did not tell you personally, sir, kasi you were together sa Coconut Palace, di ba? He did not tell it to you personally. Why?
Hindi ko alam.
So, sir, wala
So, baka
kayo clear na
nahihiya?
usapan na he's not coming this afternoon?
No, I thought when naghiwalay kami, I thought he was already proceeding in the Senate together with Senator Nancy.
Are you okay with it?
Sir, don't you feel slighted?
Well, that's the way it is. Wala tayong magagawa.
So, tuloy naman yung...
Pero how did he inform you, sir? Tinext ka man lang ba niyan?
No. Hindi naman. I just asked him before boarding my car kung sa pupunta. Sabi niya susunod po siya.
Okay, sabi niyo tuloy.
Ah, sinabi niya
Senator Nancy. So I thought he was coming over.
Pero sir,
But I received word from one of my staff that meron siyang lakad. Meron siyang pupunta.
pag nagpa-resched siya, willing naman kayo i-accommodate siya.
Well, it depends kasi next week medyo toxic na tayo. Marami na tayong gagawin kasi malapit na yung July 20.
Pero hindi siya nag-initiate in the first place. Siya ba nag-initiate, sir? Or
Nag-request na magpo-court si Paul sa inyo?
Hindi ko alam eh. Parang I informed the common friend since there are a lot of neophyte senators who have been paying courtesy visits to me. So I advised it to...
Okay.
I advised our common friend to
To tell him.
tell him.